Today we're going to be putting on these 20mm wheel spacers, hub-centric wheel spacers on the S95 on the back. Just want the tire to come out a little bit more than it does now. Right now I have 17 by 10.5 wheels with 315, 35, 17s on it. So hopefully this will give me the fitment I want on it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Get the vehicle raised up off the ground, or the rear wheels at least. That should be plenty. Got our wheel spacer. It's on there. I'm going to be using a little bit of Loctite on the threads for studs that are going to hold the wheel spacer to the hub. Get these on there snug. We're going to get these torqued down with a torque wrench. Manufacturer calls for, I believe, 85 pound-feet. So that's what we're going to torque these to. On the wheels I have, I don't know if you can see, but there's plenty of space in between for the studs to stick out right here. If you don't have spaces like that, you'll have to trim your original studs so that they will not interfere with that. Because if they do, that is not safe to run your wheel spacer like that. And for the lug nut torque, just go whatever your manufacturer spec is. Good. I'm going to drop the car down now. Yeah, that's much better. Wow, that looks sharp. I like that. All right, and I already have my fenders rolled in the spaces it needs to be. I'll put a link to the video for me doing that in the upper right hand corner. Yeah, that is 20 millimeter wheel spacers on the back of an S95 with these wheels from American Muscle. Again, they're 17 by 10.5 inch wheels with 315s, 35, 17s. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you got something out of this or enjoyed it, be sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.